Scientific notation. So far we've looked at how to make large numbers easier to write. We've got number 250,000. We want to change it into scientific notation. So we have decimal point lives here. We need to move this decimal point until there's only one number on the left hand side of it. So it is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So written in scientific notation, it is 2.5 times 10 to the power 5. The power being the number of places the decimal point had to move to get to here. Now you're going to be going on to the textbook, the 4+1. Okay, so 4+ textbook, page 66, and I'm going to go over a couple of questions that I know you're going to have a wee bit of problem with. So we'll talk over and we'll actually do them first, okay? So we'll start with question 2b. We've got 516 and we want to write it in scientific notation. So there's my decimal point, that's where it normally lives. I need to move it until it gets in here. So it needs to move 2 places. So because it's moved 2 places, it's 5.16, decimal point, only one number on this side of it, times 10 to the power of 2, because that's how many places the decimal point had to move. 2i, we want to make the number 9. We want to write it in scientific notation. Now, our decimal point is already where we want it to be, right there. However, we do want to write it, multiplying it by a power of 10. Now, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So how we're going to write this is like this. So we have 9 times 10 to the power of 10 to the power 0. Anything at all to the power 0 is equal to 1. So that's equivalent of multiplying 9 by 1. You're not going to change anything. So that's how you write, if you've got a single number, that's how you write it in scientific notation. Okay, 2j, just to be on the safe side. The number 60, we're going to write in scientific notation. So my decimal point is here, right there. So I need to move it so there's only one number to the left of the decimal point. So it is going to move 1 position. So that means it is 6 times 10 to the power 1 because it's only moved 1 position. Okay, so page 66, 4+ textbook, start question 2. Check your answers as you go. So do all of question 2 and then check the answers and then move on to question 3.